In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can put your designs onto mockups and use these to promote and advertise your brand or products. With your Placeit casual subscription, you have access to 9 high-resolution mockups every month. These are all high-quality, high-resolution, and made by professionals, meaning they'll be able to attract the right attention from your customers. And once you have these mockups, you can use them across your social media platforms to advertise your products. So if you don't have the time or you don't have the right equipment to make great images of your products, this is a great way to get around that. So to get started, head over to placeit.net. Mouse over the apparel and print option and hit T-Shirt Mockups. Here you'll be presented with a large number of T-shirt mockups to choose from. But if you have a more specific idea of what you want, you can use the menu on the left-hand side to sort through the different options. So let's say we want to make a T-shirt mockup featuring a woman. We can go ahead and click the woman option, and this will change the screen to include only mockups featuring women. So once you find the mockup you like, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to another screen where your image will be in the center. The option to upload your design is on the left-hand side, and you can play around with the shirt color on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and upload our image. Let's choose this one. Before actually placing your design on the t-shirt, Placeit gives you the option to play around with the size of it as well as the placement of it. So to change the placement of it, just go ahead and click on your design and drag it to wherever you'd like it to be. And to change the size of it, simply move the slider at the bottom until you have the desired size. Once you like what it looks like, go ahead and hit crop. On the right-hand side, you can change the color of the t-shirt. Since we're using a transparent image, we can change it to any color without having any issue. So let's go ahead and choose the black one. And this is what your image looks like. Once you're satisfied with what it looks like, go ahead and hit download. So this is the design we were working with, and this is what it would look like on a regular t-shirt. Generally, most online shops or POD websites use pretty standard images to show off your designs. But if you use a mock-up, this is what it would look like. And as you can see, this is a lot more eye-catching and more attractive, and it's a great option to use on your social media accounts to really attract attention from your customers. If you have any questions, go ahead and let us know down below in the comments.